Juicy, tender, and delicious chicken fajitas, which you can prepare in just one pan and your whole family will love it, especially during iftar. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. And if you're new, welcome, welcome. If you enjoy recipes, DIYs, and craft, you are at the right spot. But for right now, let's go and make this recipe happen. So let's start the recipe. Bismillah. First, we'll make a fajita seasoning. In a bowl, I'm adding red chili powder, roasted and crushed cumin, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. Mix everything well, and then you can take a sterilized clean bottle, transfer this seasoning into this bottle, and you can store this easily in your pantry. First, I am preparing a baking sheet because we are making in a pan. So I put this foil and I just make a little tiny wall of a foil, and then I'm just spraying it lightly and transferring red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and some onions on this sheet and seasoning it with some salt and pepper. I just broil it in the oven for some time so it will get the charred color on top, and I'm broiling it on high for a couple of minutes. Till then, we prepare our chicken. I cut my chicken pieces into these thin strips and adding the seasoning mix we just made, add salt, and if you want you can add a little bit of sugar as well. It will give that caramelized color. So you can see my veggies are done here. Now I am putting a chicken pieces in a single layer and spread it throughout this baking sheet and drizzle some olive oil on top, and then put it in the oven until chicken is completely tender and get that color on top. As here you can see it. Now I'm squeezing some lime juice on top and lots of chopped cilantro, hara dhania, and then mix again very well. And now your pan chicken fajita is ready to serve. Yes, it's that easy. You can marinate ahead. You can serve some corn tortillas, salsa, avocado guacamole, or whatever you like to serve with these chicken fajitas. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.